Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing the Pixel 9 so the camera behaves predictably. Open Settings, confirm system and camera app updates, and grant location, storage, and microphone permissions. These unlock HDR, geotag, and audio capture. Once done, open the camera app and swipe through modes to locate photo, night, and portrait. Make sure to set the photo format to HEIF for smaller files or JPEG for compatibility. You're now positioned to capture clean files and access advanced options without interruptions. You'll compose and lock the shot next. Enable grid and level to align horizons, then tap the subject to set focus or press and hold to lock AE/AF so exposure won't shift. Once locked, adjust exposure compensation for highlights or shadows. Use Pro Mode when you need manual ISO, shutter speed, or white balance control. Swap lenses for perspective, ultrawide for landscapes, wide for everyday, and 5x tele for distant detail. Make sure to preview at 1x and 5x you'll finish by capturing and validating the images. Choose burst for action, night mode for low light, and motion for moving subjects. Press the shutter or hold for continuous frames. Once captured, review with pinch to zoom and check the histogram for clipping. Apply Quick Edit or Magic Eraser to refine. If images show noise or blur, make sure to enable night mode, increase exposure time in Pro, or stabilize the phone on a tripod. If problems persist, restart the camera app and recheck permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.